Very quick and easy fix to a tasty side dish. This recipe is cheap and tasty. Ingredients: 1 8 ounces box elbow macaroni, 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, ground black pepper to taste, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Okay. Let's go. Step 1. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook elbow macaroni in the boiling water, stirring occasionally until cooked through but firm to the bite, 8 minutes. Step 2. Melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat, stir in flour, salt, and pepper until smooth, about 5 minutes. Slowly pour milk into a butter-flour mixture while continuously stirring until mixture is smooth and bubbling, about 5 minutes. Add cheddar cheese to milk mixture and stir until cheese is melted 2 to 4 minutes. Step 3. Fold the macaroni into cheese sauce until coated. So, it's done. Wow, it looks so yummy. Tips for you. You can never have enough cheese, and I usually add an extra half cup without ruining the recipe. Keep a careful eye on the milk when boiling, as the milk boils fast and burns easily. Burnt milk will show up in the recipe's flavor if overcooked. I hope you like it. Subscribe and press the notification bell for future updates.